That's what they be doing.
And all this unnecessary hair out the way, then I'm going through and just kind of clean it up. But we done party ways with it, girl.
I know, I see.
Feel lighter?
It does feel lighter. So, like, what brands do you recommend for a shampoo and conditioner?
If it's something you just getting on the fly yourself, like Design Essentials or HairCut is a good one. So you just kind of do your weekly maintenance. I would recommend, like, if you can't do it every week, at least every 2 weeks, get that good conditioner. That's critical. That's going to be key to keep your hair from being so dry.
Okay.
Most of everything up, and I'll take my shears and clean you up a bit. Then once you dry, I can kind of go in and define the cut a little bit more. We just getting all this unnecessary hair out the way. So we don't be relaxing the wrong thing.
And then I used to do like a lot of wash and go styles, and I was using Mael Organics Mousse, and then they came out with that whole thing, and I was like,
I mean, a lot of people have been saying they've been losing a lot of hair from it, having dry, spots. Sometimes just starting over is always best. Fresh start.
Yeah.
Then next time when you do this color again, because you can do color, you just got to take care of it.
Right.
You can already pick one out. That'd be cute. Get her set up. So you get it. You don't do no. Snake.
Please up and put. Like you said, honey.
Alright, y'all, client is getting a pixie cut, so I'm just kind of showing y'all a little bit of how we get all the unnecessary hair out of the way. Good morning. I'm going to release some of her texture a little bit because she's opting for a sleek pixie. And yes, we could have silked this out, you guys, for the people who say, why you had to relax it? We could silk it out. But as I was doing my consultation with her, and she take these long, steamy baths, or if you're sweating your head or what have you, we already know that that curl pattern will, that silk press will revert quick. So we're going to just kind of go through and really texturize. And we're not trying to opt for a complete bone straight, relaxed look. But we do want to release some of this natural texture. Alright. Most of it already off. We'll go in and define the cut once we release these coils. Alright, y'all, let me show y'all.